Davies yn penio'r bas letros allan, ma' mor bell o Woolham yn camu ymlaen yn ergydio, yn syth i'r gornel ucha, ac am ffordd i sgorio'ch gol gyntaf erioed yn uwch gyngrair Cymru. Mae Aberystwyth ar y plaen wedi 1 munud ar 10 mewn steil. Lewis, Tomlinson yn gofyn amdani ac yn troi ac yn gyrru ymlaen. Tomlinson yn cael ei faglu gan Bradford. Nawr te beth yw'r penderfyniad, oedd hi reit ar yr ymyl. Y Sebon yn dod allan a thu allan i'r cwrt Cosby. O, hon yn agos dros ben. Y cynorthwydd wedi rhoi i farn. Y dyfarnwr yn pwyntio at Ysmotyn, mae'n gic o'r Smotyn. 20 munud wedi chwarae a chyfle euraidd i'r Barri. Keenan Patton i chymryd. Ac yn ei chwipio hi'r gornel isa, mae'r Barri nôl yn y gêm yn gyfartal. Gol gynta'r tymor i Patton a chic o'r Smotyn o'r safon ucha. Cadwaladr ymlaen at Darlington, y gol o roddi ar y linell. Wedi syrthio i John Owen. John Owen yn jyglo, yr ergyd gan John Owen! A Chris Hugh ar eilydd. Gwaith gwirthiodd ar y llinell. Ac yna Darlington yn methu ei chyreddi. Wel, Chris Hugh yn achub embaras i Mike Lewis yn erbyn i gyn clwb. Gwaith arwrol gan yr amddiffynwr i atal yr ergyd gan John Owen. Darlington, pas hyfryd, tu allan i droed i Steph Davies. Y cyffyrddiad ymlaen i Jonathan Evans, heibio i ddyn at y canol! Gwaith amddiffynol gwych eto gan Chris Hugh. Lle fydde'r Barri heb dyfedwedwch. Oedd y gol yn wag i Steph Davies, wel na, oedd hi ddim yn wag, oedd Hugh yno.
We dominated that, comfortably dominated the game in terms of possession, in terms of territory, and in terms of corners, chances. A pen for them, I'm looking at the assessor, and the assessor said it wasn't, and I'm thinking 100% it wasn't. And when I hear the linesman said he thought it was, it's tough. It's a really tough one. And then our keeper gets pulled down the edge. He comes off injured, could be out for a while, and I get booked for it. It's a disgrace. It is. It's really poor, and it's really tough to do this every week, week in, week out. And I feel like I'm saying just go over goal ground every week. It's not on. It's poor. It's not good enough. It needs to be resolved.
You know, pleased with the result and how it affects the league table. Keeps that distance between us and Aberystwyth. I think on the balance of the first half, we were hoping to continue those moments in possession, and the level of performance could lead to a win. But as I said, real battling performance second half to stick in the game and end up with a draw.
What are the thoughts in the changing room after that game?
Disappointed more than anything, I think. I think we did more than enough to win the game, but obviously the chances we missed, we paid a price really, and they got a, controversial penalty, and that just ruined the game for us really.
We've been here before, we know what it's about. We're not new to this. We know the fact it's going to be a roll sleeved up and fight. And we've got that fight in the dressing room. That's one thing we've got probably, I would say, over every other team in this league. We've got that togetherness and spirit that you can't buy.